Everyone, welcome to Career Launching. Today we can see the latest hiring updates. We are back with 4 to 5 fresh hiring updates. And before we move into the video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and please join in our WhatsApp channel so that you won't miss out on any hiring updates. First up, we have hiring from Hexaware, and if you are a MBA graduate and looking for a job, this is a good opportunity for you. We can see Hexaware is hiring for junior management trainee role and it is for Chennai location and the package is 5 LPA. Yeah, and we can see the JD here, junior management trainee full time, and the location is Sirusari, Chennai. Yeah, it is they are hiring for Chennai location and the area is Sirusari and it is for 2026 pass outs and you should be having your MBA degree. BTech bachelor's degree is not eligible. Master's degree is required and it is for MBA graduates who has graduated already in 2026. Yes. And you need to have minimum 60% throughout your education and must have a bachelor's degree with minimum 60% or CGP or 6 CGPA. And you need to have strong proficiency in Excel, PowerPoint, and other relevant tools. Okay, and yeah, this is Hexaware hiring for you. Next up, we have hiring from Cornerstone. Let's see. Yeah, we have hiring from Cornerstone, and they are hiring for junior engineer for Pune location. And it is office based. You need to go to Pune office daily. It's not hybrid or it's not work from home. You need to go to the office and they're hiring for junior engineer. You need to have relevant skills in, work with automation frameworks built using Java or C Sharp, Selenium, Cypress, and Playwright. Okay. You need to have knowledge on SQL queries. Yeah, you can see it here. Write and execute basic SQL queries to validate application data and test results. And you need to have software development skills and all. You can check out the JD if it's relevant for you. You can apply. Cornerstone is a good opportunity. Try applying to every role. Yes, you need currently pursuing or recently completed a bachelor's or master's degree in CS, IT, software engineering or related field, and knowledge of programming fundamentals. Yeah, this is Cornerstone hiring for you. If you are eligible, you can apply. They haven't mentioned your year of pass out, so any batch can apply. Try apply. And you need to have knowledge of web technologies, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and DevOps concepts, CI/CD concepts. Yeah, exposure to Git and other version control systems. This is Cornerstone hiring for you. And next up, we have hiring from Birlasoft. Yeah, they are hiring for developer role, and you can see the hiring here. And it is also Pune based Birlasoft office. And we can see the eligibility criteria here. BTech, computer science, IT, ECE, mechanical. Basically, anyone can apply, or relevant MBA graduates can also apply. It is for 2025 to 2026 graduates and you need to have good verbal and written communication skills. Coming to the technical skills, you need to have basic knowledge of SQL databases and programming concepts. Yeah, you can check the JD here. I know anyway you're not going to watch this video. I'm just telling you for the knowledge purpose. I'll post the links in the description. Please check out. And next up, we have hiring from Cyntexa. Yes. Cyntexa, they are hiring for associate software developer and the compensation is 5 LPA and you need to have a bachelor's degree and you need to have proficiency in at least one of the programming languages. Example, Java, C, C++, or Python. And you need to have soft familiarity with software development tools. I mean, like you need to work with IDEs and version control, such as Git and all, and software testing frameworks. These are good to have skills, but for this role, you need to have solid understanding of any one programming language and OOPS concepts. I will also attach resources for you for Python and OOPS concepts in Python and SQL interview questions. If you're interested, check out the description for the links. These are the key skills required: positive attitude, quick learner, strong attention to detail. Yeah, if you find that this job is good for you, apply it. And it is for Jaipur location, by the way. You can see it here. And they are hiring for freshers. And this is Syntaxa hiring for you. Next up, we have hiring from Deloitte. Yeah, Deloitte is hiring for full stack developer role for Bangalore location. Yes, full stack development Bangalore. And freshers are eligible to apply 0 to 2 years of experience in software implementation, application support, or web application development, and basic understanding of DSA and problem solving, working knowledge of Python, JavaScript, or TypeScript, and SQL. Java background candidates are not eligible because it clearly says you need to have Python and SQL knowledge here. Ability to understand client requirements and translate them into product configurations. Yeah, if you find this job relevant for you, please apply to the opportunity. Don't miss out on any opportunity. I will post all of the links in the description. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and please join in the WhatsApp channel as well. Also, I'll share some of the resources with you. Thank you all.